the backyard of the ghetto. Whoa, I don't know where he's going, but this is where we get my life today. When they take one look at me, they'll be like, oh damn, she's ghetto. I better not mess with her. Jake, can I see your dog? Can I see your dog? What? What is that? Hey, it's a fucking grinding pole. Oh my. You're supposed to be nice. Is this where you play Buddha? That's called a fire pit. Nice. How nice. I'm the center of the beautiful. Jake, I want to see that. Oh, let's go look through his window. No, his parents are playing it. I'll just wait. Okay, whoever they are, they're watching Teal Tequila.
Are they really?
Who is that on the computer?
Probably his brother.
It's a girl.
Mom,
Split. Hi. Look, dog food. Jake, you have a nice house. Wow! We hit the jackpot on this one. This looks jackpot. How? I don't know. How are you gonna? I can't even ride it. I mean, yeah, I can. Yeah. Stop. Amanda, are you on crack? He's got 4 skateboards. V8 juice. Perfect for the skater body. Just kidding. Oh yeah, look at this gas guzzler, folks. This is global warming. Take a good look.
Amanda.
I'm just making a video. I told you. All he drinks is V8.
Amanda! Amanda! Amanda, stop! You're retarded!
Homie! That's his brother, idiot. Uh-oh. Don't worry, he comes into my house and okay, go.
I'm ready to go.